How's it, guys? Welcome back to another catch and cook video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to cook Menpachi. The recipe is similar to the Manini catch and cook video, so if you guys didn't watch that, please go check that out, and if you did, right on, you guys will know exactly what to do. Menpachi are nocturnal fish that hide in caves during the day, like this one, but they also come out and feed at night, so you can spearfish them or catch them by pole. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So right here I am gutting the Menpachi. There are multiple ways you can gut a fish, such as cutting down from the butthole all the way up to the gill plate and removing the guts that way. However, to save time, I decided to cut the head off by lining up my scissors with its fin and cutting the head straight towards the head. I use this technique on this fish mainly because this fish doesn't have much meat, so I won't be losing much meat if I cut the head off, and it saves a lot of time. So once I get the head off, all I have to do is pull the guts out and I'm ready to go. So right here I am making cuts into the fish. Just like the Manini catch and cook video, I'm making the cuts into the fish to help the fish meat cook more evenly when you put it on the frying pan. Right here I'm seasoning the Menpachi with black pepper. When you do season the Menpachi with black pepper, make sure you get inside the cuts that you made into the meat, as it will help give more flavor to the Menpachi when you do cook it. Here I'm sprinkling garlic salt onto the Menpachi. Again, like with the black pepper, make sure you get it into the cuts that you made into the flesh as well. Finally, after you're done seasoning the Menpachi with black pepper and garlic salt, you can add cornstarch. Now what the cornstarch does is it makes the skin on the fish more crunchy as you fry it. Just put a light coating on and it will be fine. Right here we're using butter to pan fry it on medium heat. You can also use olive oil, but I feel that butter tastes better, but it's not as healthy. Yes, I want you to know that you're mine all of the time. Rain or shine, honey baby, mine. Yes, I want you. So the reason why you cook on medium heat is so that the fish cooks a little bit slower, so you have more time to, I guess, kind of check the fish to see if it needs to cook longer or short, or if it's pau, before you need to flip it. Cooking on medium heat also reduces the splatter, and it's nice because then it's less of a mess for you to clean up after your pau cooking. So right here the Menpachi is finished cooking, just taking it off, and it's heading straight to the dinner table. What I ate it with was shoyu and rice, and can't go wrong with that. Good meal. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this catch and cook video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at emandives, and I'm always open to new suggestions for videos, and coming out with more fishing videos soon. And thank you guys for watching. Shoot, have a nice day.